Money is great, everybody makes money, but I feel like people want belonging or people want community. And the most important thing is people want respect.
Hi everyone, this is Joan Bistorff with the Treetop Group at Keller Williams. So today, Sid, we're here at 9 Hugh Street. Time has just whizzed by. Can you tell us a little bit about project management? What has changed in 3.5 years?
If I would have taken this my first project, I don't think I'll be here where I am. I'll be under first project and be done with the first project.
We've been growing for past 13 years. Every year, the team goal is to do new things every year because I personally feel very bored if I'm doing the same thing. So even though real estate is our passion, I love going there. I love meeting people. I love transforming properties, and our team is exactly the same.
I think we've tried to do something different.
Correct. Correct. So that I feel like the first thing is that passion behind anything what we do, and that shows on our projects and our product, what we deliver in the marketplace. Me not being in a construction background, coming from a very different background, it was always a learning process for me, starting my first project. It evolved every year. We learned slowly and slowly. It's always was a matter of control, the timeline. That's why like 3-4 years ago, I got my own GC license. Yes, and I said, you know what? Let's be a GC. Yeah, I already know the subcontractors. I already know the people. Over a period of time, I kind of figure out it's not a rocket science. Right. Yes, I'm not from that background, but I've done enough flips. I've done enough. I've been doing it for so long, and I said, we can handle it. So now, and that's why I want to tell you that that's the change. Now we have our own team, we have our own project manager, we have our own subcontractors, which are going one project after another because we got so many projects going. So that has significant improvement in terms of project manager. Obviously, like I said, every year there's a chance for improvement. So we are looking better ways to do project.
I know you started Treetop Capital recently. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, as you know, we've been doing projects for now past 13, 14 years, I started with my own money, and that was the case, most of the part where I keep doubling, tripling the project from one project to another, which was great. As you know, real estate investment is a highly capital intensive, industry to begin with. And now we are operating in Cambridge. So what has happened over the years is, the friends and family, they noticed how Treetop Group was evolving. And there was a lot of partnership. There was a lot of money pouring in there on a bunch of the deals, which has allowed us to leverage and do more, and which was great. But we felt like that now we got to go to the next level and kind of start sharing our story and telling what we are doing, because we've been doing so many projects, such a great deal for long, but we have never shared with the world, what we're doing. And one of the reasons to do things like this is to show them that what Treetop Group has already been doing, and then connecting with the people who are out there who had money with them, but they don't want to deal with the day-to-day. Right. They have full-time job. These guys are successful professionals. They got money sitting in the bank doing nothing. They want to higher returns. This is where they come to us, and we make sure we utilize that money for us and for them and give them a high and great return.
And then I guess my final question to you is, what have you learned about yourself this past 3.5 years?
Like I told you, my philosophy, whether it's the profession or personal life, I feel like every year gives you a chance to improve on yourself. You know me personally very well, so I'm more focused internally. I'm more focused on my inner peace. I'm more focused on helping others. That's like my primary thing. And the reason I do that is because I feel like that if I can gain so much out of it, I should share with these other people.